Hello, welcome back. Cooking in my RV again. I love to do that. Today what we're going to fix is stuffed peppers. Stick around, watch how this is done. Okay, we're going to get started. First of all we do is we brown up our ground beef. And as you can see, I'm using my new wave. I love that. Doesn't heat up the camper, keeps everything nice and cool, and it does a great job. My Copper Chef skillet, you can see I didn't have to put any oil in it. It doesn't stick, so we just grind this all up until it's nice and brown. Get rid of all that pink. And there it is, all bubbly and ready to be used. This we're going to set aside now because we're going to prepare all of the ingredients. We're going to start out with an egg. And I have a large bowl here that I'm going to whip this up. And we're going to put it in a large bowl and add all the ingredients in there. Cilantro is wonderful. It adds such a flavor, and oh, it smells so good. Slicing it up, my goodness, makes me want to dig into just that. We add that in. Mix in the egg with that. Everything we put in, we kind of mix it in so it's all combined. Chop up a tomato. Chop these up kind of fine so that they fit into the boat really good when we're ready to fix it up. The onions, we do them real fine. Chop them up real good. I'm using my new measuring spoons that I just got, and I love them. It's down in the description. Garlic, I have minced garlic here that I'm measuring out and putting in. And hot peppers, jalapenos, woohoo! That'll give you a kick. Put in as much as you think you want. Now the ground beef that we set aside, we're going to put that in. Going to add that all into the mix. Rice, cooked rice. I tell you what, ladies, you need a pressure cooker. You can get this rice done in about 8 minutes. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, all the spices that you need. Now let's make our boats. Green pepper we cut lengthwise. We're going to clean them all out, get all the seeds out of them. Make nice little flat boats to carry all this wonderful mix that we made up. Getting this ready to go into the oven. Pack that in really, really good. Look at that. It smells great. Going to put this in an oven for about 45 minutes so it's nice and tender. Okay, we're ready to get it all prepared now. Take some aluminum foil and we wrap them all up. Make it nice and tight. I roll that foil around really good so we get a good tight cover on it because we want to keep that steam in there. That's what makes those green peppers nice and tender. I have my baking pan there that I'm putting them on because this is what's going to go into the oven. 400 degrees. There they are, all cooked. Look at that. Can't you just taste that? They're so, so good. There you go. Nice and just delicious. They're tender and the meat is so good. All of the ingredients in there. It is so good. I hope you try this. Okay, folks, thank you so much. I want to thank you for coming along with me on my journey as I bake this. And I hope you'll try it. I know you're going to like it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I'd like to know. And come back again. See you later. Bye-bye.